Hi, my name's Ezio, and I'm talking about the granny flat in Denistone that was constructed by fixed price granny flats. Firstly, I'd like to say that the overall experience was excellent in terms of from the start, the actual design, all the way through to the proposal and eventually to the construction phase. Some of the key aspects of this project was the challenging site, which you can see here in the background. It's a very steep site. One of the key considerations that I was looking at was the ability of the contractor to actually, I suppose, deliver the project on this site. Issues such as materials and approvals. Greg and his team delivered the project within the original price. There were some minor variations which were very fair and reasonable. These are a lot to do with changes in scope that I selected. The whole team that Greg put together was excellent in terms of their delivery and especially communication back to myself. The features and the fixtures that they include, these were excellent quality compared to some of the other quotes that I considered. So this was a key point of difference, and they were true to their word in terms of delivering these goods, and other skills like the plumbing, the electrical, the building. The trades were excellent throughout the whole process, and special mention to Garen, who actually built this from scratch and had to all coordinate the delivery of materials from probably 40-50 metres at the street level. One of the other key aspects of this project, being a project manager and working in the engineering field, was I was across a lot of these various trades and skills. So Greg was exceptionally responsive to my needs, especially being a fairly fastidious client who works in this sort of space. I was really pleased with Greg's, I suppose, ability to come to solutions together collaboratively. We worked on developing solutions because there were some challenges throughout the project which weren't foreseen. Integrating the sewer, stormwater issues on this site. As you can see, it's a fairly sloping site. And basically the sewer system had to be put in place with a pump and a pit. And this gets pumped literally 30 metres up the hill to the Sydney Water Sewer. And this was quite a challenging aspect which Greg had to price at the front as a fixed price, and there was some changes, but these were all considered as part of the total price. So I was really happy with this aspect of the job. I would often challenge Greg on certain costs, but he'd come back with the actual quotes. So he was very transparent throughout the whole process, and I appreciated this, and with my background I understood the costing. So this was a really important aspect, and also the project in terms of its challenges and the timing. I was pleased with the progress. There was some delays due to the weather, but these were managed quite well. So overall, I really achieved an excellent outcome. And in the future, if I'm looking at doing any other type of projects, I definitely consider Greg and his team in the first instance. Overall, my experience with this project was that it came through on time, within budget, and defects-free. And this was a really good outcome. Had a lot of people questioning the project because of its complexity, but overall, really good outcome. And as I mentioned, I'll definitely be considering fixed price granny flats in the future if I have any other projects. And I'm also looking at potential other jobs with friends and referring Greg and his team to them. So thank you.